Daddy, good morning. We're ready for school.
What did you just say? You calling me your dad, a drinking daddy this morning?
Oh my God!
I don't blame you. I blame your mom. Soon, I'm going to deal with everybody. Now, let me ask you, if I'm drinking, how is it your business?
It's my business because anytime you do not drink keke, everybody will be your friend. You will not be playing. The moment you drink keke, you will not be shouting, go this side, go this side. Hey! You will not be squeezing your face like bush monkey.
Jesus!
Me? Bush monkey? So that is what you have been saying behind me. Look, I'm going to deal with you today, and today you're going to stop it.
Oh my God!
After keke, you're shouting again.
No, wait for me! Children of these days. Those days we don't even go close to our dad, let alone knowing what they are doing, asking me when I'm enjoying myself. I think I have to put a stop to this. To not be child the way it should go, and when it's of age, it will not depart from me. They learning this from me, it's not a good thing. I need to stop it.